Simple and quick Uppuma recipe. Today we will show how we can make an Uppuma very easily. We just need only 20 minutes for the preparation. Let's move to the video. First we need to roast the Rava. For that take a pan and heat it. When the pan is hot, add 1 cup or 200 grams of Rava. Stir it continuously and roast for 5 minutes on medium flame. After 5 minutes, switch off the flame. Remove it from the pan. In a pan take 1 tablespoon oil. Also 1 tablespoon ghee and heat it. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds. Wait until mustard seeds splutter. Now keep it low flame. Add 12 cashew nuts. Mix it well. Cook on low flame until cashew nut turns to light golden color.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
When it turns to light golden color, add half-inch size finely chopped ginger, 1 chopped green chilli, 1 sprig of curry leaves, 1 dry red chillies cut into halves. Mix it well. Cook for 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, add 1 small onion finely chopped, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Saute the onion for 3 minutes on medium flame. Now add 1.5 cup of water. Boil it on high flame until it starts bubbling. When it starts boiling, add the roasted rava to it. Mix it well nicely. Change to low flame. Cook for a minute on low flame. Now switch off the flame. Keep it closed for at least 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we can serve it. Our tasty Rava Uppuma is ready.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.